Hi folks, welcome back here. Today I'd like to share an After Effects project file with you that you can use to make some performance tests on your machine or any machine you have access to. Or maybe it might become useful for you when you're about to build a new machine and you have access to some components and you like to test it. So let me show you what's inside. Actually, when you render it, it pretty much looks like this. So it's just a 30-second piece of animation in a 1080p resolution, and it's not performing pretty fluid at the moment because I'm making a screen recording at the same time. So this is too much for my little computer here. But anyway, so we just some twirling circles, and there are some render intensive effects on it. So let me close it down. Let me show you the composition. So we have circles twirling around, and on top of it there's an adjustment layer with a radial blur inside. So radial blur always takes a lot of time to render, and we have some particles in the background. You can see them at the moment with the lens blur effect on top of it. Everything is set to 3D, so we have depth of field, and so all the nice features that like they need that will use of all the power of your computer. And just because it was fun to do, I added some titles, and I've built that comp for myself because when I have bigger projects and have access to different machines, I'm always making a test, so I can figure out which machine is the fastest to render at the end, because sometimes you have minutes and minutes of high def footage and you don't want to wait forever for your render to finish. So you can make some tests, and I used that file here on 3 different machines. The first machine was a MacBook Air from mid 2013, and it took about 45 minutes to render. Then I had access to a desktop computer with a quad core, with an overclocked quad core, and it took about 10 minutes or something. Actually, this machine here took 10 minutes and 13 seconds to render. And this afternoon I also did a test on a pretty new 6-core Intel 6-core machine. I'm not sure which CPU it was, but it only took 5 minutes and 55 seconds to render in the multiprocessing feature, with the multiprocessing feature. So what you can do with this file is just put it on different machines and try different settings, and everything you have to do is just download the file. I will post the link below, and just download it to the machine, and then reboot your system and just double click the project file, or just start After Effects and load the file directly inside, and then just render from the default settings with a lossless codec, and just give it a folder to save the file. At least you have to have up to 5 GB space on your drive. That should be enough, and then hit the render button and wait for the project to finish, and then you have some marks that you can compare. So that's it. If you like it, you can download and test it. Actually, I've sourced something similar on the German site slashcam.de, and but I like to have my own project. So but no, I like to share with you, and you can make your own comparisons. So thanks for watching and have fun. Bye bye.